Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Delhi Trivedi, I am the narrator of this roleplay. So today we are going to present our roleplay on section 375, which is based on section 375 Indian Penal Code, which states that rape and other circumstances where sexual intercourse without a proper consent is been considered as a criminal offence. So let me introduce with all the characters who are going to participate in this roleplay. So first we have the judge, Dhruv Desai, the court clerk Mercy Akbara, the victim Kavya Naikar, the accused Raj, who is taking the video, the prosecution lawyer Meera Panchal, the defense lawyer Rose Sheikh, the forensic expert N.R. Samuel, investigating officer Shreya, and the two witnesses, the security guard Liu Jatong and the housemaid. So here in this roleplay we are going to perform three scenes. The first scene is the courtroom setup. In the second scene is the prosecution argument versus the defense argument. The third and the last scene is the judge verdict. So let's start the roleplay.
All right. This honorary court is now in session. Alright, please be seated, everyone. Thank you. So this court will now hear the case under section 375 IPC, Indian Penal Code. Prosecution, please present, please.
Your Honor, the victim was sexually assaulted under the pretext of a professional meeting. The forensic report confirms bruises on her arms and thighs. Witness will testify to her distress. The accused must be held accountable for his actions.
Thank you. So please proceed with the first witness.
Your Honor, I would like to call the victim to the stand.
Repeat after me. I
Kavya,
swear by this holy book
swear by this holy oath
that anything I say in this court
that anything I say in this court
will be the truth
will be the truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God. Thank you.
Miss Kavya, can you tell us about what happened at the night on the incident?
Yes, I went to his house on Monday around 10 p.m. to discuss about our work. On that time, what happens? He just locked the door. I don't know what the thing is going on. He just locked the door. I just shocked on that time. Then he started to get close appropriately. That's why I resisted. But he's forcing himself on me.
Did you say no?
Yes, multiple times. But he was strong. I was terrified.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor. The victim is making emotional statements with factual proof.
Overruled. Please let her continue. You will get your chance.
Miss Kavya, what happened after the act?
I ran out from there with crying. And the security guard, he was the one who saw with distress.
Okay, that's all you may take. That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you. You may take your seat.
I would like to call Miss Kavya. Miss Kavya. Miss Kavya, if you were uncomfortable, why visit his house so late at night?
Because he was my boss. I trusted him.
Yet you didn't immediately report the incident.
I was in shock. That's why I didn't.
Or were you upset because he removed you from the project?
Objection, my lord. Victim blaming.
Sustained. Move to relevant question.
So, Miss Kavya, you claim you resisted. Where are the deep scratches, the broken furniture or torn clothes?
I think you may see on my face also. And that time I froze and fear paralyzed on me. That's why I didn't.
Okay, Your Honor, that's it. You may take your seat, Miss Kavya.
Thank you, defense, for the arguments. Prosecution. Any further?
Your Honor, I would like to call the security guard to the stand.
Repeat after me.
I, Ricardo,
Swear by this holy book
so by this book,
that anything I say
the Indian Knights
in this court
record
will be the truth,
will be the truth,
and nothing but the truth.
the nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. Liu, can you tell the court what happened at the night?
That's right. She ran after me crying. She looked traffic.
Your Honor, this proves she was fleeing from the trauma.
Objection, Your Honor. Crime doesn't prove a crime occurred.
Overruled. Please continue. Prosecution.
Mr. Liu, did the accused look suspicious?
Yes, he come out later and after if she said I listened.
Your Honor, I would like to ask some question to Mr. Liu.
Sure, you may proceed.
Mr. Liu, but did he admit to anything?
No.
Then this is just an assumption. That's it. You may take us. That's it, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, defense.
Your Honor, I would like to call the housemate to the stand.
Sure.
Repeat after me. I
I, Anand Tasha,
swear by this holy book
swear by this one
that anything I say in this court
that anything I say in this court
will be the truth
will be the truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Miss Annie, can you tell the court what happened at that night?
That night, I was cleaning the kitchen when I heard the victim shouting, "No!"
Did you hear any struggle?
Yes. Things fell and rushed out soon after. Your
That's all.
Honor,
That's all, Your Honor.
I would like to ask some question to Miss Annalyn.
Alright, you may proceed.
Did you see what, Miss Annalyn? Did you see what happened inside the room? No, I was in another part of the house. Then you cannot confirm whether it was struggle or a misunderstanding, correct? Yes. I can only tell you what I did. Okay, you may take your seat. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Prosecution, any further witness?
My lord, I would like to call the investigation officer to the stand.
Repeat after me. I
Shreyana,
swear by this holy book
swear by this agreement
that anything I say in this court
that anything I say in this court
will be the truth
will be the truth,
and nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Miss Shreya ma'am, so can you tell us about the reports and all about the reports?
The forensic report confirmed that accused DNA on the victim resist consistence.
Did the victim file an immediate complaint?
No, she filed 2 days late.
Your Honor, I would like to ask some question to Miss Shreya.
Yeah.
So, Miss Shreya, there was a delay. Could this indicate regret there an assault?
That is speculation. Victim often hesitate due to fear.
That's sure. You may take your seat.
Objection, my lord. I would like to show you the photos and the report. You may take your seat. My lord, this is the photo of my victim.
Alright, these are the reports. Thank you. Let's check. Alright, please. Next. That's enough. Okay. Thank you. Defense?
Your Honor, now I would like to call accused Mr. Rajshekhar.
Repeat after me. I
I, Raj,
swear by this holy book
swear by this holy book
that anything I say in this
that
court
everything I say in this court
will be the truth
would be the truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
one one more thing, Your Honor. Also, I want to submit the evidence that they were together and happy.
Can we have a look? Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
that's enough. Thank you for the evidence.
So, Mr. Rajshekhar Singh,
Yeah.
so,
We had a consensual relationship. That night was no different.
did she resist?
No, not at all.
Objection, my lord. Then why did she flee crying?
I don't know. Maybe she regretted it later.
Objection, speculation.
Sustained. Please continue with the question.
That's it, Your Honor. Mr. Rajshekhar, you can go yours. So, Your Honor, I would like to call the forensic expert to the stand. Forensic Mr. Samuel.
I,
Someone remember.
swear by this holy book,
Swear I do.
that anything I say in this court
That anything I say in this court
will be the truth
will be the truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So you don't pick what?
So help me God.
Thank you.
So these medical reports show signs of injury but no severe defensive injury.
Your Honor, these are the medical report what I want to submit.
Lord, objection. But bruises on her thighs suggest force.
Not necessarily, it might be as a result of rough intimate sex.
You cannot rule out force either, correct?
Yes, force cannot be ruled out.
That's it, my honor.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, can I would like to talk with Mr. Samuel. Can forensics prove whether she said no?
Forensics cannot prove if she said no or not.
Okay, that's it. You can take a seat. So, sir, that's it, my honor.
Thank you, defense. So, the court has heard testimonies from the victim, the accused, and all witnesses. We have examined forensic evidence, medical reports, and the evidences, photographs. So, both the prosecution and defense have presented the arguments vigorously. So, before we proceed to closing arguments, does either side have any further clarifications?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. If none, then the court will now hear the closing arguments. Prosecution, you may begin.
Your honor, we cannot ignore her distress, the forensic evidence, and the witness testimonies. Silence does not mean consent.
Thank you. Defense.
Your Honor, this is about justice, not emotions. Without proof, beyond doubt, we cannot convict a man. Thank you, Your Honor.
So, at this stage, the court will take a recess for lunch. After the break, I will deliver the final verdict on the evidence and legal principles. So, court is adjourned.
Right. The Honorable Court is now back from recess.
Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. So, the prosecution has argued that the victim was assaulted and provided testimonies of her distress, while the defense has maintained that this was a consensual encounter and that the accusations arose due to personal conflicts. So, in case of sexual assault, consent must be explicit, undeniable, and enthusiastic. So, the absence of a clear yes does not prove anything. So, does not mean consent. Given the evidence, this court finds the accused, Mr. Rajshekhar Singh, guilty under section 375 and lets him imprisonment for lifetime. Investigating officer. Thank you.
Court is dismissed.
Thank you everyone. This case is the perfect example of how human misuse the law by putting false charge on a accused even after being such a rich and big personality. But the forensic evidence, medical reports and witness statement help the court decide. But the forensic evidence support both the sides. Still there is not a clear evidence that there has been consent and the victim said a clear yes. So the forensic science plays a big role in justice, but law must carefully examine everything in detail. Thank you. We hope you learned something important today.
Thank you.